Okay, this is Expert Creator from Expert Channel.
And this is Goguda's iPod Help.
Today we're going to be showing you an app called Talking Tomcat, and basically what this app does is it repeats anything you say. What we're going to try and do is have the two iPhones talk to each other. So we're going to go do that now. So I'm going to say hello, and Goguda's iPod Help is going to say hello, hello. So we're going to try that right now.
And let's hope it works.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello, hello? Okay, now we're going to quit that out and we're going to try again.
What are we going to say this time?
This time, I'm going to say baking, and Goguda's iPod Help is going to say cookies. So I'm going to go baking, baking, and he's going to go cookies. Okay.
Whoops.
Baking, baking.
Cookies.
Okay. I think that's good. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like our videos, we're going to put a comment, or we're going to put an annotation to the videos. So the left iPhone here is Expert Channel, so you're going to want to subscribe right here.
And the right one is Goguda's iPod Help, so if you want to subscribe to him, do that now.
Okay, now that you've done that, thank you, and